up, gang? Can I kick it with y'all for a minute? Okay. I want to know, to any of my fellow truckers out there or whoever, what's the best company to work for right now? What is the best leasing company to work for? Who pays the highest right now when it comes to truck experienced drivers? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what company you work for, how much you make. If you don't want to get all into, round it out, do a roundabout of how much you make if you want us all in your business like that. But I'm trying to make my next move my best move type shit. And I feel like I'm an asset to any company that I go to. And I'm not saying I'm quitting, but I am saying that if I don't feel appreciated in anything that I do with anybody that I work for, I will start to make whatever moves is best for me. So I think I bring shit to the table when it comes to a company. I can actually bring stuff to the table. I'm an asset when it comes to what I do. And I think I'm damn good at what I do as well. So I just want to know, what's the best company to work for? Who pays the most? And as far as like when they how they treat you, who's a good company to work for an experienced trucker? Let's go. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what's going on.